First, let's have a look at Express Control. It has two local DMX ports, a DALI port, and can be powered with a 9 to 48 volt DC power supply, or by using power over Ethernet. The Ethernet connection is also used for commissioning, eDMX output, connecting to remote devices and touchscreen wall stations, system integration, and Pharos Cloud. There are two low-voltage input and output ports for local interactions. The project file is saved to the factory-installed memory card, and the controller can be mounted on DIN rail or wall-mounted using these keyholes. Scanning this QR code will take you to a web page that provides useful information about the product and links to resources. Let's get it powered up and connected to the DMX fixtures. We're using power over Ethernet, and our laptop is already on the same network. You'd normally see a cable from the DMX port, but it's all internally wired in the training case. Once the active light is on, typically after about 30 seconds, we can access out-of-the-box test modes using this rotary dial. These test modes let us check whether our fixtures are functioning before we start programming, and may even provide temporary working lights. With the dial set to DX1, DMX port 1 will output 50% on all channels. Pressing and holding the push button dims the light level up and down. The dimming is shown on the controller's status LEDs. If connected, we can also test DMX port 2, and the built-in DALI port, or select all three together. After testing, remember to turn the rotary dial back to the run mode to operate your uploaded programming. There are dedicated explainer videos which provide more information about the controller's inputs and outputs, the DALI port, and the network setup over Ethernet.